Welcome back to our YouTube channel CAD NEST. Myself Allauddin here. I'm a CAD engineer in CAD NEST. So let us discuss another topic in Revit. Okay, so here just we are going to learn here how to create and revolve option by using model in place. Okay, so let it be. I'll just place one wall here for the reference purpose. Okay, here see now here I want to create one column by using a revolve option. So I'll just keep in realistic now. So here you can create this one. So to create this one, go to modify option, component option, that is model in place. After creating the model in place, so on which surface you are creating, you can select that. Now I'm creating on the floor. I'll click OK to this one. Now I can give the floor casework name here. After giving the name, that is the name I'm just going to use to give this one as a column. Click OK. Once if I'll click OK, now the model in place tool will get appear here. Now you can see the revolve form. So now here exactly if you wanted to create it, keep in the elevation. After keeping in the elevation, take a revolve option. Before taking the revolve option, we have to set on work plane or else it load take. I'll take a set plane, pick up plane, click OK. Now I'll just select on the surface of the floor. Now I can take this one as in revolve. Now I'll take one revolve from line. I'll just want to take from here to from bottom to top. I'll just take one line here and I'll just take the thickness also for this one. Like any shape if you want, you can create here according to your requirement. How the shape you want it, you can create here. So I'll just take back to the line. After this one, now after creating the shape, half shape, you have to place this one as an axis line. The axis line you can see here. Take an axis line and you can just place in the middle and you can finish this. Once if I'll finish here, now you can able to see this one. Now the revolve option is created. So if you want to move, you can deselect the constant, keep in top, and you can move by using this or move option. It is a select and move wherever you want. You can move this option. So like that we are going to use this. So after that you can finish this edit mode. Okay, so hope you understood. Like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.